In small and growing warehouses, timelines have become tighter than ever to meet customer demand. That means you're trying to do more with less on the tightest of margins, all during a labor shortage and increasingly complicated logistics. At Lowry Solutions, we design easy-to-use software solutions that solve these challenges and more by automating inventory management and compliance mandates to allow you to operate more efficiently. With our partner Zebra Technologies, we'll give your small business real-time visibility and meaningful data that allows you to make smarter decisions from the front office to the warehouse floor and beyond. Best of all, Lowry can help you custom design and implement these technologies, saving you time and money while boosting your overall bottom line. So if you're ready to get started with transforming your small business warehouse, contact Lowry Solutions today.